Alright, yes then. The people outside yet another Garda station. Color coordinated Garda station. This one is called, bear with me. Yeah. Oh, 2.1 rating. Not very good. Let's see if we can find out why. I'm gonna go in there, but there's people in there right now, so I'm not in any rush. I'll wait until they've done whatever they need to do. And yeah, we'll pick it back up. I swear that's a bad sign. Yeah, that's a bad sign. Oh, what the Did you? The fuck?
Alright guys, listen up. Here we are outside yet another police garden station. Yeah, a color-coordinated one, because apparently policing needs interior design too. This one's called, bear with me, and wow, check it out, a 2.1 rating. Not exactly confidence-inspiring. Huh? Alright, let's see why it's so low. People are inside, so we're not barging in. We wait. Patience is key. But don't get me wrong, I'm ready to capture every single second of this. Gonna watch their moves, check their vibe, and see if we can figure out what's going down behind those doors.
Hey, did you see that? I was scared for my life. Did you see that? Hey, hold on, I'm gonna have to watch that back, bro. That was eerie. Can I help you? I'm just making a video. Excuse me? Oh, the police Garda station. Excuse me? Oh, I just like making videos. Excuse me? What, are they exempt from being filmed?
But they're not.
They're in public though. Alright. Still busy in there.
Yo, that moment was insane. Did you see that? I swear, I thought my life was on the line. Alright, calm down, focus. Let's rewind this in the footage later. But first, we try to engage. Can I film? Can I ask questions? They seem tense at first, defensive even. But here's the kicker. They're in public. You're allowed to film, right? Still, respect the space. I'm not here to escalate, just document. This is Ireland, not some chaotic back alley. Let's see how they handle a camera in their territory.
We'll pick it back up. Excuse me. Is there any chance I can get like an escorted tour? I can't. Okay. Excuse me? You don't do escorted tours? Okay. Have you had someone come here and film before? Oh, so you're aware of what this is? Like people have been to Garda stations before and filmed? Alright. No way we can facilitate like a tour? Alright. Is there a custody suite in here as well? But you guys seem pretty like relaxed. You don't seem to mind me filming and stuff. I do this in the UK a lot. They start.
Okay, listen. I asked about escorted tours, and of course, the answer was no. Typical. But here's the thing. They know what filming is. They're aware people do it at other stations. The custody suite is under construction, but everyone here seems chilled, totally relaxed. No unnecessary flexing of authority. No, we'll stop you under terrorism laws. Unlike back in the UK, where just holding a camera can trigger a lecture about national security. Hey, it's different. Calm, collected, professional. All right, guys, take note. This is how policing should look under scrutiny.
Talking about terrorism and stuff like that. It's not a concern for you guys? Excuse me? No, I'm just filming. Like, what I'm saying is I do this in the UK as well. And sometimes I get stop searched under the Terrorism Act there. There's certain terrorist legislation there. I mean, I would say it would be an illegal search, but it's just interesting to see the different sort of reactions, I suppose.
Most of it's still differently in the UK than we do here.
Yeah, you guys seem quite relaxed. Yeah? Alright. Well, thanks for your time. So there you go, like that seems to be the theme in Ireland. They're very relaxed.
So there you have it. All right? The Garda are impressively relaxed. Every police station I visited in Ireland shares this vibe. Minimal jurisdiction flexing, zero unnecessary orders, professional demeanor throughout. Auditing them, honestly, seems redundant. Dublin or elsewhere, my experience says the same. Garda personnel act responsibly, even when completely unobserved. Contrast that with the Met, where auditing feels relentless, yet still they act suspiciously. The takeaway? Ireland's approach prioritizes trust and calm authority, not aggressive intimidation. If the Met wants a lesson, this is it.
Anytime I've come to the police station, they haven't really tried to flex their jurisdiction. Haven't really tried ordering me about. Obviously, we had that Irish town one, but other than that, for the most part, this has been the theme. So. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if auditing would really serve much of a purpose in Ireland. I don't know. I can't speak on behalf of the residents in Dublin County or otherwise, but at least from my experience, the experience I've had so far, I wouldn't say that there's an urgent need for Garda Station and Garda personnel to be audited, but that's obviously my opinion based on the experiences I've had so far. So in any case, you know, we'll hang around for a bit longer. If nothing happens, then we'll go. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Must say, very impressed by the attitudes of the Garda, simply if you consider the fact that this is completely untouched like territory, so to speak. Like no one's ever done this, and despite that, they're very relaxed about it. And not once have I heard any mention of terrorism or anything like that, or any other such things. So again, very impressed by the attitudes of the Garda, given the fact that no one has audited before. Like in the Met, we've been auditing for ages, like non-stop, relentlessly auditing the Met, and despite that, they're still talking about terrorism and other things. You know, there's times where they're aware that it is an audit, and they're still stop searching people. So, got to give props to the Irish authorities and their conduct. Been very professional. And so yeah, Met lot, you could definitely learn a lot from the Garda and how they're choosing to conduct themselves. It seems like the Met will just employ anyone, so that's going to conclude that. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry, like there's not much in terms of content, but you know, I can only report on what's given to me. Does that make sense? So yeah, probably gonna conclude that. Hope you liked. Hope you enjoyed. Please like if you did enjoy. And yeah, peace.